it has already been an incredible weekend in the life of Church 180.
So let's check out what's coming up this week.
Don't forget, next weekend is Vision Sunday. Pastor Phil will be sharing the vision for 2011, so come along and be inspired for the year ahead.
Then straight after the service tonight is our first Switch After Party for the year. Cost is $5, and if you are between 18 and 30 something, make sure you are there.
Coming up on Tuesday, February 22, 7 p.m. at the Royal, we have our first leadership exchange of the year. This evening will feature Prophet Ed Trout, all the way from San Antonio, Texas. Ed is known for his accurate and consistent and life-changing prophecies. This is going to be an unbelievable night, and you do not want to be late.
February will be finishing with a bang. Pastor Andrew Kabbalah will be joining us Sunday, February 27. Andrew has a gift of healing and also working in the power of the miraculous. So come along to our extended healing night service if you want to see miracles performed. Also, if you have friends or family who are in need of a miracle in their lives, be sure to bring them along as well. Oh my gosh, next Sunday is Vision Sunday. How exciting!
It is unreal. Next weekend is going to be amazing, and we would love to see you there.